What's up, y'all? It's your girl Daisha, and I'm back with another video. Okay, so I know y'all ain't seen me in a little minute. It been like two long weeks, you heard me? But look, I'm back in full effect like I always am. Okay, so today I've been getting a lot of comments about how I do my thumbnails and how do I get my thumbnails to look how they look. I don't know how they look. I guess they interesting to y'all, but this is how I do my thumbnails. I'm not no expertise, but I do my shit with them. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all today on my new phone. Yeah, y'all, I got a new phone. Let me take that bit out of the case because it's just so pretty. I got a new phone on these hoes' head. I'm telling you, they better stop playing with me. It's an XR. It ain't the 11, but it's an XR, and it's yeah. So stop playing with it. Okay, so period. Without further ado, I need for y'all to go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, and press that notification bell so y'all can be alerted for when I drop more videos. Because I'm challenging myself, you heard me? I gotta drop a video every day in April. You feel me? Every day. When I say every day, I mean every day in April. Okay, so let me start my screen record. Okay, so look. Okay, so I'm gonna be making my thumbnail to my reaction video with Spitta and Baby James. So I'm gonna actually go to the video and get a screenshot. Wait, what the? This boy just told me fuck me, y'all. Just don't pay no attention to that, please. How do I go to my history? Here we go. I'm gonna go to, yeah, I think I'm gonna do this one right here. Look, oh, I stopped on the good part. So I'm gonna screenshot that. Then I'm gonna edit it and, you know, crop that out or whatever. Okay. And I'm gonna use this picture for my background. For my thumbnail. Watch and see. Stay tuned. Okay, so add this as my background. I'm gonna go to effects, right? In effects, right? I don't like that one. Don't like that one. I like that one. Let's see. They all say try, bitch, but I gotta pay for them. What kind of shit that is? Oh, I like this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this one and that one, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and click apply, right? Then go to effects again. I'm gonna just click blur. I'm gonna click smart blur or motion blur. I like motion blur. Then you could range the distance, how far you want them apart, you know. I'm gonna do mine like that. Angle, you know, yeah, I'm gonna do it like that, have it like that, right? Boom, bam. Okay, so look. Then I'm gonna go ahead. I had to look up. I didn't think I was recording or not. So then I'm gonna go ahead. I ain't done yet. I'm gonna add a picture. Add my picture. I'm gonna go back to add pictures, right? I'm gonna cut out Baby James right here in this corner. I'm gonna do this like this. Then I'm gonna erase all this. Everything that's right there, and I'm gonna just zoom in on Baby James, and I'm gonna get Baby James. I'm gonna do the same thing with Spitta. Do the same thing with him. But I gotta get it good. Zoom in. See, you got cut what need to be cut. Holla. Fill in what need to be filled in, and that's on what? That's on period. Save, right? See how they got Baby James right there in the cut? I'm gonna go ahead and put them like that. But I'm gonna add a little border around them. You hear me? A little border like that. You hear me? What color should I do? What color should I do? What color should I do? Yellow? Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with yellow. I don't know why, but I've been on that yellow heavy. So then I'm gonna add effects. My reason was, I'm gonna bring Baby James out. You hear me? Bring him out, bring him out. I'm gonna do it like that. Make him a little big. And I'm gonna also do spitter. Cut out again. Boom by y'all. See how I did that? Make him big too, right? Outline him. The border. Outline him. Which yellow did I use? This one. Effects. Oh, I'm gonna make this a little now. Effects. You know, make him look, yeah, whatever. Yeah, because you know he, yeah. And he, yeah. Then I'm gonna add my picture in that bit. I'm gonna add this one. You heard me? Then we're gonna cut me out. You heard me? Save me. Put me right here. Oh, wait. Spit it. You're fucking up. Put me right here. I'm gonna cut looking like, oh, Big Days just dropped that video. Yep. So look, let me go ahead. Boom. Apply. Boom. But I like that one though. I got really add both. See how that go? See? Boom. Pie out. Then go over the border one more time. Yellow. Yeah, that yellow. I don't know what it is about that yellow, but that yellow. Was it this one? No, it was definitely this one. The yellow stick. See, I usually do my things a little thicker, but I think I'm gonna just leave them like this for today. So I got meat on there, right? Trying to bring me down a little bit. Gotta line it up, you know, make sure everything, yeah. Make sure baby James, yeah. And then I'm gonna put, okay, so look, I'm gonna have to make these a little smaller for my title. Okay. Make him a little smaller too. He gonna be alright. Baby James, big ass. I'm just playing. Just playing, y'all. Please. I should make Spitter closer to Baby James. And I'm gonna just put me right here. Then I'm gonna put the caption. I'm gonna put the title of it at the top. I'm gonna put Uncle Fester, cause that's what it was called. Okay, check, mate. Then I'm gonna just, you know, you could use any font that you want. I think I'm gonna use this one today. Uncle Fester. Yep, the color. Make that bit yellow too with the stroke. Or should I make it black with the yellow stroke? Up, boy, I'm up to something. See, this is why I love doing this, because I really be, I'm really, a fool with it. I'm gonna put it right here. Uncle Fester. And then I'm gonna put the flames. Fire flame. I put for real flame. Fire. How about that? See? I'm gonna put, okay, I don't like none of these. Fire emoji. Boom. How about this one right here? And then, you know, you can outline this one too. See? That's why I fucks with this. Because it's pressure all over. You know what I mean? See what I'm saying? Pressure all over. I think I'm going to bring my picture up. Turn it a little bit. Bring it up. See? And expand it. Boom! And that's my thumbnail. That is my thumbnail. Thank y'all for watching. I need for y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. And without further ado, stay tuned. Because more videos coming soon.